I am going to show you how to use CustomGPT Chatbot. Provides assistance, information, or advice on any topic or question you may have related to the project. Ask Me Anything serves as a way to tap into the expertise and knowledge of how to use CustomGPT Chatbot, offering assistance for using the CustomGPT API. By encouraging open-ended inquiries, Ask Me Anything provides an opportunity to address specific concerns, clarify doubts, explore various subjects, or engage in meaningful conversations, and provides comprehensive support with a platform for dialogue, fostering a collaborative and helpful environment between the customer and CustomGPT. To access the Ask Me Anything page, simply go to the Dashboard option and then click on Ask Me Anything from the project. The selection of Ask Me Anything takes you to the Ask Me Anything tab of your project. Select the new conversation to start the Ask Me Anything process. Once you select New Conversation, then you can freely ask any question or query you desire according to your project. Congratulations! You have successfully utilized CustomGPT to create an interactive experience.